Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to look at this question right here. So the question reads, given that a, 7 is a solution of the simultaneous equations 3x minus y is equal to 8 and bx squared minus xy plus 9 is equal to y squared. Find a, the value of a and b. So in order for us to answer this question, we have been told that we have two systems of equations. We have 3x minus y is equal to 8. Then we also have bx squared minus xy plus 9 is equal to y squared. Now we have been told that the solution to these simultaneous equations, we have a, 7. This is the solution. So it means that a is presenting the x coordinate and 7 is presenting the y coordinate. So this means that x is equal to a and y is equal to 7. Okay. So now find the value of a and b. So how can we find the value of a and b? So first thing, since we have these two systems of equations, we have equation 1, we also have equation 2. So we are going to pick equation 2. Okay. So in this case, our equation 2, we have our equation 1, 3x minus y is equal to 8. So we have said that x is equal to a and y is equal to 7. So we are just going to substitute on this equation 1. Where there is x, we are going to put a. Where there is y, we are going to put a 7. So we are going to have 3. So where there is this x right here, we'll put a. So it will be 3a. Minus, where there is this y, we put 7. Then is equal to what? 8. So from here, we can now write 3a is equal to 8 plus 7. So we have just shifted negative 7 to the right hand side, and it has become a positive 7. So we are going to have 3a is equal to, then 8 plus 7, this gives us what? 15. So now, since we want to find the value of a, we are going to divide both sides of the equation by 3, so that this 3 and this 3 will cancel. Then we remain with what? A. So here we are going to say a is equal to a 5. So the value of a is equal to what? A 5. So we have found the value of a there. Now we also need to find the value of what? Of b. So to find the value of b, this is what you are going to do. Remember, this is our equation 2, where we have bx squared minus xy plus 9 is equal to y squared. So in this equation, what are we going to do? So remember, our coordinates were a, 7. So now we are going to have these coordinates because we have found the value of a to be what? A 5. So we are going to have 5, 7. So this means that x is equal to what? To 5. Then y is equal to 7. And we are going to substitute on this equation 2. So we are going to write b. So this x is squared and x is equal to 5. So it will be 5 squared minus, so x it's a 5, it will be in brackets, and y it's a 7, it will be in brackets, then plus 9 is equal to, so y is a 7, so it will be 7 squared. So this will be 25b, because 5 squared is 25. Then minus, here we are going to have a 35, 5 times 7, then plus 9 equal to 7 squared, this is a 49. Okay, so this will give us a 49. Then from here, what are we going to do? So from here, we are going to say, we are going to remain with 25 this side. So we can say 25b is equal to, so we can have 49, then plus 35, then minus a 9. So here we can have 25b is equal to, so in case you are wondering here, so I've just transported negative 35 to the right hand side. It has become a positive. then positive 9, it has become a negative. So here is just a matter for you now to just find the value of 49 plus 35. That's the value that you should just find. Okay, 49 plus 35, then take away 9. So you are going to remain with a 75 once you do the addition this side and the subtraction. So we need to find the value of b. So divide both sides by 25. Even this side we divide by 25. So here we are going to have, we can now cancel this 25 and this 25. B is equal to, so now here 25 into 75 goes there 3 times. So b is equal to 3. So we have answered our question A, meaning that the value of A is equal to 5 and the value of B is equal to 3. So these are the solutions to question what? A. So let us now look at question B. So now we have come to our question B right here, which says find the coordinates of the other solution. So how do we find the coordinates of the other solution? So remember our two equations that we have 3x minus y is equal to 8. Then we also have the other equation, which is this one right here. So this equation now, where there is b, we are going to put the value of b, which is a 3 right here, the one that we found here. So it will be 3x squared minus xy, okay, then plus 9 is equal to y squared. So these are the two systems of equations that we have. So now question B is asking us to find the other coordinates of the other solution. So remember, we already have the first solutions where we said we have 5, 7, okay, which is these that you are given. So now to find the solutions to the other, to find the coordinates for the other solution, we are going to take equation 1. So equation 1 is 3x minus y is equal to 8. Then we are going to make y the subject of the formula. So we are going to make y the subject of the formula. This is going to be y is equal to, we have 3x, then minus 8. This is we have made y the subject of the formula, in case you are wondering. So we have taken negative y to the right hand side and the positive 8 to the left hand side. So this is how we have come up with this. Then after making y the subject of the formula, this is what you are going to do. So now we are going to consider equation 2. So equation 2 is 3x squared minus xy. So 3x squared minus xy, then plus 9 is equal to y squared. So in this equation 2, what we are going to do is this. We are just going to substitute. Where there is y, we put 3x minus 8. So we are going to write 3x squared minus, so this x is just the way it is, minus x. So where there is this y, we will substitute. We will put 3x minus 8. Then plus 9 is equal to, so where there is y again, we will put 3x minus 8. Then we square it like that. Okay. Then from there, what are we going to do? We can simplify. So we are going to have 3x squared, negative x times 3x, you are going to have negative 3x squared, negative negative positive, x times 8, you are going to have 8x. Okay, we have expanded here. Then plus 9 is equal to, so for this one now we know what it means. It means we are going to have 3x minus 8 in brackets, because it's squared, again 3x minus 8. This is what you are going to have. And if you do the expansion here, we are going to have 3x times 3x. This will be 9x squared. 3x times negative 8. This will be negative 24x. Again, negative 8 times 3x, this would be negative 24x, negative, positive. 8 times 8, 64. So this is what you are going to have. Then here we can see these 3x squared minus 3x squared, these they will cancel, it's a 0. So you just remain with 8x plus a 9. Then from here, what are we going to do? So from here we can do this. We can write 8x plus 9 is equal to, so we can simplify on the right hand side. You can have 9x, negative 24x minus 24x. This will give us negative 48x, then plus 64. Okay, so this is what we are going to have. So we can do this. We can take 8x to the right hand side, even 9 to the right hand side, and we are going to have something like this: 9x squared minus 48x, then minus 8x. So this positive x will become negative x. Okay, then plus 64 minus 9 equal to 0, meaning that on the left hand side we remained with a 0. So I've just swapped them. Okay, it's just the one and the same thing that I have. So from here we are going to write 9x squared. So here you can see we have negative 48. Okay, negative 48 minus 8. So meaning that you are just adding these two. You are just adding these two. You get negative 56x. Okay, then plus 64 minus 9, you get 55. So here you get a 55, which is equal to what? A 0. So this is what you are going to have here. This is what you are going to have. So now from here, what are we going to do? So from here, since we have 9x squared minus 56x plus 55 is equal to 0, so we are going to factorize this one by coming up with these brackets, then we equate to 0. So here, since we have 9x squared, here we can write 9x, then here we can write x. Okay, then from there, what are we going to do? So we can say minus 11, and this will be minus 5, such that once we expand this, we are going to get the quadratic on top. So here we can start equating 9x minus 11 is equal to 0. So you can have 9x is equal to 11. So you can divide by 9, even here you divide by 9, and x is equal to 11 over 9. So this is the value of x. Okay, then for this one, if you equate x minus 5 equal to 0, you are going to get x is equal to a 5. And this one we are given, so we are not interested in this one. We are just interested in this one because this solution here, x is equal to 5, we already have it. No wonder they said, can you find the coordinates of the other solution? So this is what we are interested in. Now for this one, if you remember, we did make y the subject of the formula, which was y is equal to 3x minus 8. So to find the other value of y, we are going to use this one. Where there is x, we put 11 over 9. So we are going to have y is equal to, so here we have 3, and where there is x, we are going to put 11 over 9, then minus 8. And this will give us, okay, this will give us y equal to 3 times 11, this will be 33. Okay, this will be 33 over 9 minus 8. Then from here, what are we going to do? So from here, we are going to just punch on our calculator, where we have 33 over 9 minus 8, and this will give us negative 13, okay, over a 3. So you can see that we have these two possible values of x and y. So for y we have negative 13 over over 3. So the coordinates, the other coordinates that they wanted, we'll get the x coordinate, which is 11 over 9, comma, and the y coordinate, which is negative 13 over 3. So these are the other coordinates that they wanted us to find. Okay, so thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our short presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye bye.